Hello, welcome to this channel. Today I am going to teach you how you can create an ebook with Meta AI and make money online. Okay, so to create an ebook with Meta AI and make money online, you need just these two applications. Okay, you need to download Docs, Google Docs. You need to also download WhatsApp in your phone. Okay, so that is the basic thing. But before you start creating your ebook with Meta AI, get this advice. Please make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. But straight to the point tech. You need to master the niche or the subject you want to create the ebook on, because Meta AI is just going to give you the something you need to go and edit. Okay, so in this tutorial, you don't need to hire anyone to write a book for you, hire anyone to proofread, hire anyone to do graphic design. Everything we are going to be doing in Meta AI. So let's get started. Now, you just need to open WhatsApp and you click on this dot. Okay, this Meta AI. Now, you want to write an ebook. Have you drafted a book? What niche are you writing about? Let's say you want to write about marriage. Are you a married person? What knowledge do you have about marriage? Okay, so if you have basic knowledge or you have already drafted a book, now you want to write it, that is the perfect thing you need to do. But if you are just going to be writing subjects or topics you don't know or niche you don't know anything about, is going to lead you to do garbage. So please make sure you master the topic you are going to be writing about. Let's get started. We are going to write an ebook about marriage. Okay, now I will go to this Meta AI. I'll type, please, I want to write an ebook about marriage, comma, give me 5 book titles. We take send. Okay. Wow, that's come. Here are 5 potential book title options for your ebook about marriage. Forever and Always, Secret to a Happy and Healthy Marriage Home. Good. Love That Lasts, Navigating Life's Challenge Together. The Marriage Blueprint, Building a Strong and Lovely Relationship. From Vows to Forever, Mastering the Art of Marriage. United in Love, Practical Wisdom for Thriving Marriage. Okay, now, so when you read these titles, if it resonates with what you wanted to write or what you already programmed to write, you then choose any of the titles. Okay, so now let's see, we will tell Meta AI to do this. Give me table of content using number, let's say number 1 or number 2. See number 2. Boom. Here is a proposed table of content for your ebook, Love That Lasts, Challenges. Oh, sorry, Love That Lasts, Navigating Life Challenges Together. Introduction. What matters? Why marriage matters? 2. The journey of a lifetime. Remember these things you have basic knowledge about. So anything you are doing here, know that you have basic knowledge about. Don't just do things you don't know, something you don't know. Okay. Part 2, building strong foundation. Part 3, and you see that I've given the table of content. Now, after you have gotten this table of content, you now move straight to the next point. Write details about write details on intro introduction. Okay, wow, this is it. This is the introduction. So you see how AI is writing? Confirm. Now, after you get this introduction, you have to read it carefully. If there's anything that does not match what you wanted to write, You have to edit it to match what you wanted to write. Okay. So from here, you follow and write all the other chapters, just telling Meta AI to write this chapter, write this one, write this one. After finish writing, or maybe before you continue writing, you come and copy this your table of content. Okay, you copy. When you copy, come to Google Docs, click on it, wait for it to load. Take this plus sign, you click new document. You are going now to paste it here. Good. You have pasted the introduction. So you have pasted the introduction. You start your small editing. Okay. Now, before you edit, just click that button and save. See, it has saved. Yes. So this is the table of content, right? This is the table of content. Now, you now copy your introduction and put down in in introduction. Okay. When you write introduction, you go to Meta AI. You copy what Meta AI wrote about introduction. Okay, copy and you paste. You paste here. Okay. When you paste, you remove what you don't need from the introduction. After doing introduction, copy why marriage matters. I'm sure it's already in the introduction. You go now to part 1, building a strong foundation. You bring the building a strong foundation here. Okay. When you write building a strong foundation, go back to Meta AI. You tell Meta AI to write part 1. Okay. Write part 1. After you write part 1, you copy and put here. Okay. So after doing this, you need to click on these 3 dots. When you have done everything, you have edited everything and it's okay, you click on these 3 dots. You take share and export. You take save as, you see PDF. Wow, that's it. PDF. You save as PDF. When you save as PDF, you have a link. Yes, you have a link. But before saving, make sure you edit. Put, if you are putting pictures, you put the pictures. If you are putting illustration, put where necessary. And the best thing is that you can get all these things from this Meta AI. You can see give give cover art for the book above. Wow, Meta AI is doing its job. It's loading. It's wow. You see, even though it's a different name, but it's because we have written something. So if you write the title of your name, it will give a cover art instantly. You see, like this one. Okay, so you can take this cover art to your any of your editing app. You can edit it a bit to suit what you want. Okay, so you can go and fit it there. Everything you fit it in this your Google Docs. Yeah, so after fitting everything, you save and you get a link. You get a link of the book. When you get the link of the book, you now go now to any of your platform that you want to sell the book. Remember, you have to put the book in Google Docs, edit it so that it will look original. Don't just copy everything and put here. So when you save everything, you now take the book to your platform, maybe your Facebook page or wherever you want to launch it, or any platform, Amazon or seller. You can publish a book on seller. Okay. When you publish the book on your platform, I don't know, this is the seller I'm talking about. If you publish your book here, you get the link. You go now to Facebook. You go to Facebook or any marketing agency or TikTok or wherever you want to go. You market the book. You can run ads. You publish the book and run ads. Send people to to your seller store or to your Amazon store so that they can buy the book. So that is basically how you can use Meta AI to write a complete ebook in just few minutes. Please, if you like this video, share. If there's anything you want me to do, if you, or like for example, if you want me to teach you how to do Facebook ads, how to create an account on seller, please comment and I'll get to you.